Everyone, it's 8:34 a.m. and the market just released inflation data. And I know we've been speaking about how to actually obtain this inflation data, but I'll walk you through it here on my laptop. I am currently on TradingView. Within TradingView, there's this little calendar. Select calendar, economic data. Today is February the 13th, and you'd see here inflation data. So, what exactly occurred? Inflation year over year was forecasted at 2.5. Prior, it was 2.6, and it currently came in at 2.5. Month over month, it dropped to 0.2, forecasted at 0.3, and prior months was 0.3. According to this data, inflation is allegedly down for the year and as well for the month. I don't see that in my grocery bills, but we will go with this data. So what does this mean? With unemployment rates coming in higher, meaning we have less unemployed individuals. I think I saw 130,000 somewhere in a report. And inflation being lower, this should lead the way for rate cuts. So I'm thinking with all of this information, the inflation data being lower, unemployment being lower, that the possibility of rate cut may occur. This is obviously having an impact on the market. If you see TQQ went from 47.94 up to 48.34, so almost $1. I believe that there's still some hesitation in the market due to AI and what after effects AI would have, meaning white collar, blue collar individuals losing their jobs because they're being replaced by AI. So due to these fears, the market has been selling off. So unless investors overcome those fears, we will continue seeing a sell-off in the market. Many times I do state that when we have reports like these, the unemployment, the inflation, PPI reports, the first reaction sometimes isn't the correct reaction. And this is what we're seeing now. We're seeing the market push up, and now it kind of like said, wait a minute, is this really needed? And it's pushing down. But again, as I continuously state, we never take a position until the market takes a direction. So what we'll do is we'll wait till 9:30 to see which direction the market truly goes in. And then from there, we determine which position we'll take. Right now, what I'm looking for is a break above $52.40-ish. That's where a lot of the resistance has been the last couple of days. If you've been following TQQ, yesterday it went up to $52 and it rejected all the way down to 47. And then the day prior, it also went up to $52 and rejected once again. So to my belief, the rejection is at like the $52 mark. This can push up from 48 to 50, but I don't feel safe unless it breaks above 52. So when I do get in, I get in with smaller positions just in case it does reject. I'm not holding with such a huge lump sum.